Welcome back to Intwigged Woodner, my dear souls, to a journey of reconnection with the very essence of our existence. What is sacred soil? Today we delve into the sacred realm of soil. Sacred soil in the foundation of all life on our beautiful planet that we call home. Imagine, if you will, the rich dark earth beneath your feet and feel its coolness, its texture, and its life-giving energy. This is no mere dirt we speak of, but a living, breathing entity that holds the secrets of creation within its depths, the home of countless microorganisms, and the canvas upon which nature paints her masterpieces. It is the medium through which nutrients flow. Without healthy soil, the delicate balance of our ecosystems would crumble, and life as we know it would cease to exist. Sacred soil is the heartbeat of our world, the silent guardian of life's cycles, and the keeper of ancient wisdom. Many people report feeling more centered, calm, and connected after spending time in direct contact with the earth. It's as if the soil itself absorbs our stress and anxiety, replacing them with a sense of peace and belonging. The soil is Mother Earth's skin, a living membrane through which her energy flows. Even in our modern world, many people find a deep sense of peace and connection when working with the earth. Gardeners often speak of the meditative quality of tending to plants and having your hands in the soil. This concept suggests that the land itself holds memories, both of natural events and human activities. By connecting with the soil, we may be able to tap into this stored wisdom, working in harmony with natural cycles rather than against them. Or simply taking the time to express gratitude for the earth's abundance. It could mean creating rituals to connect with the land, or incorporating soil-based healing practices into our wellness routines. This shift in perspective can have profound implications for how we approach agriculture. Let us take a moment to reflect on our own relationship with the earth beneath our feet. The same elements that make up our bodies are found in the soil, the air, and the water around us. So, by honoring the sacredness of soil, it can anchor you in the present moment, the here, the now. Express gratitude for the countless lives that have contributed to the richness of the soil and for the abundance it continues to provide. We honor the sacredness within ourselves and all of creation. How often do we pause to consider the miracle of life that unfolds in every handful of soil? How can we deepen our connection to this sacred substance that sustains us all? We start by acknowledging the sacred nature of soil and our place within the great web of life. May this awareness guide your steps and inspire you to walk gently upon this earth, and always by being mindful of the sacred soil that supports us all. Land management and our overall relationship with the environment, gaining insights into the history and energy of a place, of the joy that comes from nurturing life from seed to harvest. This is no coincidence, it is a reflection of our innate connection to the soil and the earth's cycles. By honoring the soil, we honor the earth herself, acknowledging our place within the greater web of life. Just as the earth has its own magnetic field, soil carries its own unique energetic signature. This energy can be influenced by the minerals present in the soil, the microorganisms that call it home. We have the opportunity to cultivate a deeper relationship with the natural world. This relationship is not one of dominance or exploitation, but of mutual respect and reciprocity, and even the intentions and emotions of those who interact with it. It is where the physical and spiritual realms intertwine, where the seen and unseen dance in perfect harmony. We must also explore its spiritual and energetic connections to the earth. Throughout history, cultures around the world have recognized the sacred nature of soil, incorporating it into their spiritual practices and belief systems, and to which it ultimately returns. Let us first acknowledge its role as the foundation of all life. While our bodies often accumulate positive charges through our modern lifestyles by making direct contact with the soil, we allow for an exchange of electrons that can help balance our internal systems and promote overall well-being. Every plant, every tree, every creature that walks this earth owes its existence to the nurturing embrace of the soil. It is the cradle from which life springs forth. As we explore the concept of sacred soil, it holds within it the grounding powers that connect us to the very essence of our being. But a scientifically recognized phenomenon. The Earth's surface carries a negative electrical charge. In the intricate web of life, soil plays a pivotal role. When we walk barefoot upon the earth, both physically and emotionally. A mother figure who nurtures and sustains all life. We tap into an ancient energy that flows through the soil and into our bodies. This connection is a powerful reminder of our place in the natural world, grounding us in the present moment and aligning us with the rhythms of the earth. Composting to nourish the soil. Whether in our gardens, in ceremony, or simply by walking upon the earth. But sacred soil is more than just a biological necessity. The grounding power of soil is not just a metaphysical concept. Take a moment to connect with its energy. Feel the grounding power flowing through you. This grounding effect can be profoundly healing. As we delve deeper into the concept of sacred soil, an integral part of her living systems that is responsible for all life, we become stewards of the earth. In many indigenous traditions, the earth is seen as a living entity. This spiritual connection to the soil is not limited to ancient cultures. The energetic properties of soil are also worth exploring. Some believe that soil can absorb and store energetic imprints, much like a crystal. As we work with sacred soil, we acknowledge its vital role in sustaining life. In practical terms, honoring sacred soil might involve adopting regenerative farming practices. As we conclude our exploration of sacred soil, remember, dear ones, that we are not separate from the earth. So, the next time you feel the earth beneath your feet, in doing so, you participate in an ancient and ongoing dialogue with the earth. Together we can change the world, one soil particle at a time. Join us for more upcoming videos about how to build your soil and create food that nourishes you from the inside out.